Hello everybody. So today we are going to discuss a question from class 11th, chapter 2, Indian economy, subject economics. So the question is, what is green revolution? Why was it implemented and how did it benefit the farmers? Explain in brief. So the answer is, due to low productivity, frequent occurrence of famines and low levels of agricultural products in the later half of second 5-year plan, a team was formed to suggest various ways to counter these problems. As per the recommendations of the team, government introduced the use of HYV seeds, modern techniques and input like fertilizers, irrigation facilities, and subsidized credit. These steps collectively are known as Intensive Area Development Program (IADP). Consequently, in the year 1967 to 68, food grains production increased nearly by 25%. Due to this substantial increase of food grains production, this outcome is known as Green Revolution. The word Green Revolution comprises of two words: green, that is associated to crops, and revolution is associated to the substantial increase. Need of green revolution. The need of green revolution are as follows: low irrigation facility. The well irrigated and permanent irrigated area was only 17% in 1951. The major part of area was dependent on rainfall and consequently agriculture suffered from low level of production. Conventional and traditional approach. The use of conventional inputs and absence of modern techniques further hampered the agricultural productivity. Frequent occurrence of famines. Famines in India was very frequent during the period of 1940s to 1970s. Further, due to higher growth rate of populations, agriculture failed to grow at the same speed. Lack of finance, credit. Small and marginal farmers found it very difficult to get finance and credit at cheap rate from the government and bank. Hence, fell an easy prey to the money lenders. Self-sufficiency. Due to the traditional agricultural practices, low productivity, and to feed growing population, often food grains were imported that drained away scarce foreign reserves. It was thought that with the increased production due to green revolution, government can maintain buffer stock and India can achieve self-sufficiency and self-reliable. Marketized agriculture. Agriculture was basically for subsistence and therefore less amount of agricultural product was offered for sale in the market. Hence, the need was felt to encourage the farmers to increase their production and offer a great portion of their products for sale in the market. Thank you for watching the video. For such content, please subscribe to Intellify.